In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a viewer in Monday.com, step by step. If you want someone to be able to see boards and updates without giving them full editing access, setting them up as a viewer is the perfect solution. This is especially useful for clients, stakeholders, or upper management who only need visibility, not control. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com tutorials. All right, let's get started. Before we begin, there's one important thing to know. You must be an admin in your Monday.com account to add or change user roles to viewer. If you're not an admin, you won't see the options we're about to go through, so make sure you have the correct permissions before continuing. First, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're inside your workspace, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. A small menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, select Admin. This will take you into the admin section of your account, where you can manage users, permissions, billing, and other account-level settings. Once you're inside the admin area, look to the left-hand side menu. You'll see several options listed. Find and click on Users. This section shows you a complete list of everyone who currently has access to your Monday.com account. You'll be able to see their names, email addresses, and their current roles. Now, to add a new viewer, go to the top right corner of the Users page and click on Invite Members. A window will pop up prompting you to enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Type in their email carefully to make sure there are no mistakes. After entering the email, proceed with the invitation. Once the invitation is sent, the user will appear in your user list. At this point, they may be assigned a default role, depending on your account settings. To change their role to viewer, locate their name in the list of users. Next to their name, you'll see a role column with a drop-down menu. Click on that role drop-down. You'll see different role options available in your account, such as admin, member, or viewer. From this list, select Viewer. As soon as you select Viewer, their permissions will be updated automatically. A viewer in Monday.com can see boards and dashboards that are shared with them, but they won't be able to create new items, edit content, or change board structures. This keeps your workspace secure while still providing visibility to the right people. And that's it. That's exactly how you add a viewer in Monday.com. Just remember, go to your profile picture, enter the admin section, click Users, invite the member, and then change their role to viewer using the dropdown. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials, productivity tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.